I've misjudged the distance. Crops landed a little bit close and it spooked me a little bit. Have to be proactive about it. That's why they're bringing these things into captivity. That's TC's story, and that's Norman's story as well. Now,
fourth largest female in this lagoon. She's been in here, I believe.
Please stay when all is left is my sorrow. Please pray when all you feel is you don't know. Please stay if you